Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel called Excursions Vallarta. Today's video is about a property. I'm here in the neighborhood of Emiliano Zapata, very close to the Zona Romantica area, and I'm going to show you a nice property for sale here in Puerto Vallarta. This property is very spacious, only one bedroom, but it's very spacious and it's great for 4 people. Like this is the house or the condo if you want to retire here. Let me show you. We are here now, and I will show you. There is some stairs here. This is the gate for enter here, and just a couple stairs, no more than I don't know, 50 steps, and you will see. It's a lot of hot, a lot of humidity, but today is sunny. It's nice for go to the beach. I want to show you this area, and here we are. Oh, yes, this is the house. We're here in the house. I'm gonna put more image about the house, but I want to explain you what it's all about this house. This is a nice balcony here. As you can see, this is the balcony. It's pretty big. It's amazing with the view of the roof of the other house. It's in the middle of the street, so, but take a look. This is the kitchen. Okay. Right now, this property, they are do some renovation here. So right now it's not decorated, but it's more the what you can have here in this condo. They have the air conditioning. Let me show you. Mini split, Mirage. I think they are inverter for saving energy. And let me show you the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's big. Yes, and it's full kitchen with everything. Yeah, it's amazing. And let me show you this. It's full kitchen. It's with the dishwasher. Great for a big refrigerator, your laundry service, water heater, and here. This is very Mexican. We use this for our laundry. This is our eco laundry, ecological laundry. It's full equipment in the kitchen. It's nice. This is the living room and dining room area. It's spacious, but for me, this is not for me. But a lot of people like it or love it because it's very easy to clean this furniture. You only need to wash the cover, and that's it. Like for me, I don't like it because I want to move my furnitures. And this is the part of the dining room. It's very small, but you can put some bags over there. And it's nice. And this is one bathroom, full bathroom here, as you can see. It's nice. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. It's nice. It's amazing. I think it's nice. And this is the room. This is the master room. Oh, the only bedroom. It's big. Has its own full bathroom too. The closet over there, it's big too. Let me turn on the light. It's big, as you can see. They are working with the ceiling fans right now. Let me show you. They're working with this now. So they let me in to shoot the video. There is a little balcony, but they are working to do some renovation. There is some missing parts. They are improving this. but this is the bedroom. Some people like the cement style. I think I love it because it's very easy to clean. And this is the full bathroom here, and mini split for air conditioner. Very important in this area because it's hot right now. And they have mosquito nets network, so it's great in this area because there is a lot of vegetation here. And this condo or this apartment, this is it's not in this condominium. There is no pools, and there is no common areas. Only this that you are watching, and that's it. That's all. But I think it's great for a couple. If you want to retire here, it's great. And let me tell you, this is a great opportunity for invest. This is the kind of house or apartments that are very popular on Airbnb for renting because it's close from everything. We are here in Emiliano Zapata neighborhood, very close, like walking here, just going down to the stairs. Just half a block away is the bus station for Miss Maloya buses. Okay, every, I don't know, 15 minutes is available the buses. You can go to Miss Maloya, to Palmares Beach, Boca de Tomatlan, then go to Las Animas, Yelapa, Quimixto, or you can go to Los Muertos Beach. It's like 5 blocks away from here. You can carry your umbrella and your chairs. It's amazing. It's great location. You have the MedAssist hospital. It's a private hospital. There is a lot of labs here if you need medical attention. It's great. And one of the things, do you remember Miss Maloya property that I showed you in the last video? Well, one of the things about this property versus the other properties is you have all here available. If you want water, if you want, I don't know, the internet connection is fiber optic here. So yes, it's nice, the internet connection. If you need to work here in this property, it's gonna be amazing. And you have pets. I think pets it's okay with the pets here in the condo. I don't know, but I think so. There is a space for your pet in the balcony, and it's amazing opportunity. and is the third floor. Is only 3 floors here in this condominium. So it could be an option to growing. So that is a great investment. Believe me, you must do buy this property now. Yes, it's a great opportunity. And the price, email me for check the price. Okay, I think this property is great. Like not for me because I have 2 kids. I need 2 bedrooms, and have a boy and a girl, maybe 3 bedrooms for me. I'm thinking on the future. But if you want to retire here and spend like some, I don't know, half of the year here, it's great. It's a great option. Go ahead. Okay, friends, that's all for now. If you need more information about this property, email me, please. I'm gonna put a new section on my website for the properties. But if you want to anyway call me for activities, I'm available too. Remember, I can do your activities with you. Remember that I have the service for help you with for check the neighborhoods too. We can do a private tour, and I will show you. Even I can show you now. I can show you now properties if you want to invest or to buy some properties here. If you want to retire here in Puerto Vallarta, so you can email me, Oscar. I want to do a private tour with you, and I want that you show me some properties because I want to buy. Okay, just email me, and we can set up a meeting. Okay, when you are here. Okay, and that's all for now. Don't forget to like the video and to share. Okay, and follow me on my social network. Thank you. Bye bye.